So this function over here gives the height of a baseball. So substitute a time over here, and over here it'll tell you the height. So the height is going to be in feet while the time is in seconds. Then how long will the ball be airborne means that a baseball is here, gets thrown, eventually hits the ground. Well, when it hits the ground, the height is equal to 0. So on this side, put 0, and then negative 16t squared, a 35t, and a 6. And because it's got a t squared, a t, and a constant, we can use the quadratic formula. So t is going to be equal to negative, so this is going to be a, b, and c, so negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4 times the a times the c, all divided by 2 times a. So inside the radical there's 35 squared, and then 2 negatives make a positive, so plus 4 times 16 times 6. So t is equal to negative 35 plus or minus the square root of 1609 divided by negative 32. And then we should find out decimal answers from there. So negative 35 minus the square root of 1609 divided by negative 32 is a 2.3. So try to make sure that this makes sense. If you throw a baseball, is it possible that it would land 2.3 seconds later? 1001, 1002, definitely seems reasonable. If it would have said 23.47, 23 seconds in the air seems like a long time for a person that's thrown a baseball. So 2.3 seems possible. 2.347, and then the time is in seconds. Well, I used the negative there because I figured the 2 negatives on top would make a negative, divided by a negative would be positive. So I got that answer. What if I use the positive? So negative 35 plus the square root of 1609 divided by a negative 32 is negative time, which in real life we usually do not have. So there it is, 2.347 seconds.